My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bcom third semester subject Business Statistics 1 as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 2 first important short question is General rules for constructing diagrams. General rules for constructing diagrams. Diagrams must be clear, neat, and easy to understand. They should help the reader get the idea quickly. The following rules make diagrams effective. 1. Title. Every diagram must have a simple and meaningful title. Example, Sales of ABC Limited, 2010 to 2014. 2. Proper scale. Choose a scale that fits the data. Example, if sales are between 100 and 500 units, you may take 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units. 3. Neat drawing, lines, bars, and figures must be clean and of equal width. 4. Labels. Mention names of years, items, and units clearly on the diagram. 5. Simplicity. Avoid unnecessary colors or decorations. Keep the diagram easy to read. 6. Proportion. Height or length of bars figures must match the data correctly. 7. Source. If the data is taken from somewhere, mention the source below the diagram. Example, when drawing a bar diagram of yearly sales, use equal width bars, proper scale, clear labels, and a neat title so the viewer quickly understands the trend. This makes diagrams attractive and meaningful. Next important short question is 2. Discuss the utility of diagrammatic presentation. Utility of diagrammatic presentation. Diagrammatic presentation means showing data with the help of pictures, bars, lines, or circles instead of long tables. It makes information simple, attractive, and quick to understand. 1. Easy to understand. Even a non-technical person can understand diagrams. Example, a bar diagram showing increase in sales is easier than reading a big table. 2. Quick comparison. Different items or years can be compared instantly. Example, comparing profits of 2020, 2021, 2022 becomes very easy using bars. 3. Saves time. A single diagram can explain what many pages of text cannot. 4. Creates interest. Diagrams look attractive and keep the reader's attention. 5. Useful for presentations. Managers, teachers, and students use diagrams in meetings and seminars to explain data clearly. 6. Helpful in decision making. Trends, rising or falling values, and patterns are easily visible. Overall, diagrammatic presentation turns complex data into simple visual form, helping everyone understand and use the information faster and better. Next important short question is 3. What are pictograms? Explain with example. What are pictograms? Explain with example. A pictogram is a diagram that uses pictures or symbols to represent numerical data. Instead of bars or lines, small images are used to show quantities. This makes the data look attractive and very easy to understand, especially for beginners. In pictograms, one picture represents a fixed number. If the value is large, half pictures or part pictures can be used. Why pictograms are useful? Very simple to understand. Looks colorful and interesting. Good for small children, general public, newspapers, and reports. Example. Suppose a school wants to show the number of students in 3 clubs. Club No of students symbol. Sports 40 is equal to 10 students. Music 20 is equal to 10 students. Art 30 is equal to 10 students. So the pictogram becomes sports, music, art. This way, anyone can quickly understand which club has more students. Pictograms make learning fun and meaningful. Next important short question is 4 diagrams versus graphs. Both diagrams and graphs are visual methods of presenting data, but they are used for different purposes. Diagrams. Diagrams are simple, colorful, and attractive visual presentations. They are mainly used for general understanding by the public. Common diagrams include bar diagrams, pie diagrams, pictograms, etc. Example: a pie diagram showing a family's monthly expenses on food, rent, and clothing is easy for everyone to understand. Graphs. Graphs are more technical and accurate. They are used for analysis, especially by business people, statisticians, and researchers. Common graphs include line graphs, histograms, frequency polygons, ogives, etc. Example: a line graph showing company profits from 2010 to 2020 helps managers study trends and take decisions. Key differences. Diagrams is equal to simple plus attractive. Graphs is equal to scientific plus analytical. Diagrams are used for presentation, graphs for study and analysis. Graphs require scales and accuracy, diagrams focus on clarity. In short, diagrams explain data simply, while graphs help in detailed analysis. Next important short question is 5. Present the following data in the form of a line diagram. Year: 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Profit: 000, 125, 225, 250, 270, 310. Line diagram for the given data. A line diagram, or line graph, is used to show how a value changes over time. It is simple, neat, and very useful to show trends such as rise or fall in profits, sales, temperature, etc. Here is the given data. Year profit: 000, 2125, 2001 225, 2002 250, 2003 270, 2004 310. Steps to draw the line diagram. 1. Draw two axes. Horizontal axis, x-axis years. Vertical axis, y-axis profit, in thousands. 2. Choose a suitable scale. Example: 1 centimeter is equal to 50 units of profit. 3. Mark the points. 2000, 125. 2001, 225. 2002, 250. 2003, 270. 2004, 310. 4. Join these points with straight lines. Interpretation. The line will show a clear upward trend, meaning the company's profit increased steadily from 2000 to 2004. A line diagram makes it very easy to understand profit growth over the years at a single glance. Next, Unit 2. Long questions. First important problem is: represent the following data by means of pie diagrams. Expenditure: food, clothing, rent, education, miscellaneous. Family: A 3,500, 1,500, 500, 500. Family B 4,600, 2,500, 800, 1,100. Pie diagram: Family A and Family B expenditure. A pie diagram shows how the total amount is divided into different parts. The whole circle is 360 degrees, and each item gets a slice based on its share. Step 1. Write the expenditure data. Family A. Item amount. Food 3,000. Clothing 500. Rent 1,500. Education 500. Misc. 500. Family B. Item amount. Food 4,000. Clothing 600. Rent 2,500. Education 800. Misc. 1,100. Step 2. Find total expenditure. Family A total is equal to 3,000 plus 500 plus 1,500 plus 500 plus 500 equals 6,000. Family B total is equal to 4,000 plus 600 plus 2,500 plus 800 plus 1,100 equals 9,000. Step 3. Convert each amount into degrees. Formula. Degree is equal to item amount total times 360. Family A degrees. Food 3,000 slash 6,000 times 360 is equal to 180 degree. Clothing 500 slash 6,000 times 360 is equal to 30 degree. Rent 1,500 slash 6,000 times 360 is equal to 90 degree. Education 500 slash 6,000 times 360 is equal to 30 degree. Misc. 500 slash 6,000 times 360 is equal to 30 degree. Family B degrees. Food 4,000 slash 9,000 times 360 is equal to 160 degree. Clothing 600 slash 9,000 times 360 is equal to 24 degree. Rent 2,500 slash 9,000 times 360 is equal to 100 degree. Education 800 slash 9,000 times 360 is equal to 32 degree. Misc. 1,100 slash 9,000 times 360 is equal to 44 degree. Step 4. Draw the pie diagrams. Draw a circle. Mark center. Use protractor to draw slices using calculated degrees. Label each slice clearly. Use different colors for attractive presentation. Easy way to remember. Part divided by total times 360 is equal to degrees. Draw slices, label color. This makes the pie diagram clear and easy to understand for both family A and family B. Next important problem is: draw a histogram and frequency polygon for the following data. Histogram and frequency polygon, step-by-step explanation. A histogram is a set of adjoining rectangles used for continuous data. A frequency polygon is a line graph drawn by joining the midpoints of the histogram bars. Given data: class interval, rupees, frequency 0 to 2510, 25 to 5020, 50 to 7530, 75 to 118, 100 to 12512, 125 to 15010, 150 to 175 8. Step 1. Draw the axis. Horizontal axis, x-axis class intervals. Vertical axis, y-axis frequencies. Choose a scale like 1 cm is equal to 5 units of frequency. Step 2. Draw histogram. For each class interval, draw a rectangle. Base is equal to class interval. Height is equal to frequency. Rectangles will touch each other because the data is continuous. Heights: 0 to 2510, 25 to 5020, 50 to 7530, 75 to 118, 100 to 12512, 125 to 15010, 150 to 175 8. You will get a mountain-like shape showing the highest bar at 50 to 75. Step 3. Find midpoints for frequency polygon. Midpoint is equal to lower limit plus upper limit 2. Class interval midpoint frequency 0 to 25 12.5 10, 25 to 50 37.5 20, 50 to 75 62.5 30, 75 to 187.5 18, 100 to 125 112.5 12, 125 to 150 137.5 10, 150 to 175 162.58. Step 4. Draw frequency polygon. Mark the midpoint points such as 12.5, 10, 37.5, 20, etc. Join all points using straight lines. Extend the polygon to 0 frequency at both ends to close it. Easy memory tip. Histogram is equal to bars. Polygon is equal to join the midpoints. This shows the distribution clearly and helps identify the peak at 50 to 75. Next important problem is: from the following data draw the ogive curves and trace out the median. Ogive curves and median step-by-step explanation. Ogives are used to find the median of a continuous frequency distribution. We draw less than ogive using cumulative frequencies. Step 1. Write the data. Class interval, profit in lakhs, frequency 0 to 10 3, 10 to 28, 20 to 30 12, 30 to 40 16, 40 to 50 11, 50 to 60 10, 60 to 77, 70 to 82. Step 2. Find cumulative frequencies, less than type. Class interval frequency cumulative frequency, CF. Less than 10 3 3. Less than 28 3 plus 8 equals 11. Less than 30 12 11 plus 12 equals 23. Less than 40 16 23 plus 16 equals 39. Less than 50 11 39 plus 11 equals 50. Less than 60 10 50 plus 10 equals 60. Less than 77 60 plus 7 equals 67. Less than 80 to 67 plus 2 equals 69. Total frequency, N, is equal to 69. Step 3. Draw the ogive. Take profit limits 0, 10, 20, 80 on x-axis. Take cumulative frequencies on y-axis. Lot points 10, 3, 20, 11, 30, 23, 40, 39, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 67, 80, 69. Join these points smoothly with a curve. Step 4. Find the median. Formula. Median position is equal to N2 is equal to 69, 2 is equal to 34.5. Steps. Go to 34.5 on y-axis. Draw a horizontal line to meet the ogive curve. From that point, drop a vertical line to x-axis. The value you get on x-axis is equal to median. Median 37 lakhs, approx. Memory tip. Less than ogive find CF plot cut at n/ to drop down median. This makes ogive and median very easy to understand. Next important long question is: 4. What is diagrammatic presentation of data? Explain the importance and limitations of graphical presentation of data. Diagrammatic presentation of data. Diagrammatic presentation is a way of showing statistical data in the form of pictures, bars, lines, or circles instead of just numbers in tables. It helps to make complex data simple, clear, and easy to understand. Example: a company's yearly sales can be shown using a bar diagram instead of a long table. This way, Anyone can immediately see whether sales are increasing or decreasing. Importance of diagrammatic, graphical presentation. 1. Easy to understand. Large sets of data can be understood quickly without reading long tables. Example, a pie chart showing family expenses on food, rent, and clothing is simple for everyone to interpret. 2. Quick comparison. Different items, years, or groups can be compared instantly. Example, comparing profits of two companies over 5 years using line graphs. 3. Shows trends and patterns. Graphs make it easy to spot rising or falling trends. Example, a line graph of monthly sales shows peak and lean months clearly. 4. Attractive and engaging. Diagrams and graphs are visually appealing and keep the reader interested. 5. Useful for decision making. Managers and analysts can quickly understand data and make decisions. 6. Saves time. A diagram communicates what many pages of tables cannot. Limitations of diagrammatic presentation. 1. Less accurate. Diagrams are for understanding trends, not for exact figures. Small differences may not be visible. 2. Time-consuming. Preparing diagrams or graphs may take more time than simply presenting a table. 3. Misleading representation. Wrong scales or distorted graphics can mislead the viewer. Example, using a very small scale may exaggerate differences. 4. Not suitable for complex data. If data is too large or detailed, diagrams may become confusing. Conclusion. Diagrammatic presentation is a powerful tool to present data clearly and attractively. It helps in understanding, comparing, and analyzing data quickly, but care must be taken to avoid errors and misrepresentation. Memory tip: think of diagrams as pictures that speak louder than numbers. They simplify data and make analysis faster and easier. Next important problem is locate median by using ogive curves on a graph paper. Locate median using ogive curves step by step. An ogive curve is a cumulative frequency graph that helps us find the median and understand the distribution of data quickly. Here, we will find the median marks of students. Step 1. Write the data. Marks no of students. 0 to 10 5. 10 to 24. 20 to 38. 30 to 40 12. 40 to 50 16. 50 to 60 15. 60 to 70 10. 70 to 88. 80 to 95. 90 to 102. Step 2. Calculate cumulative frequency, CF. Cumulative frequency, less than type, is calculated by adding frequencies step by step. Marks frequency cumulative frequency, CF. 10 5 5. 24 5 plus 4 equals 9. 38 9 plus 8 equals 17. 40 12 17 plus 12 equals 29. 50 16 29 plus 16 equals 45. 60 15 45 plus 15 equals 60. 70 10 60 plus 10 equals 70. 88 70 plus 8 equals 78. 95 78 plus 5 equals 83. 100 to 83 plus 2 equals 85. Total students, N, is equal to 85. Step 3. Draw the ogive curve. Draw x-axis for marks, 0 to 100, and y-axis for cumulative frequency, 0 to 85. Lot points 10, 5, 20, 9, 30, 17, 40, 29, 50, 45, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 78, 90, 83, 100, 85. Join these points smoothly to form the ogive curve. Step 4. Locate the median. Formula. Median position is equal to N2 is equal to 85 2 is equal to 42.5. On y-axis, locate 42.5 and draw a horizontal line to meet the ogive. From intersection, draw a vertical line down to the x-axis. The value on x-axis 48 marks this is the median. Step 5. Easy memory tip. Step 1. Find cumulative frequency, CF. Step 2. Plot points and draw the ogive. Step 3. Draw horizontal line at N/ to intersect ogive vertical down median.